I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website on Ionos. Getting started is straightforward, even if you have no prior experience. Ionos provides an intuitive platform designed to help you create a professional online presence quickly. Many plans include a free domain for your first year and a secure SSL certificate, giving you a solid foundation. You can begin by selecting from over 130 professionally designed templates to kickstart your project. Once you've chosen your plan, it's time to select your website building tools. Ionos offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, or you can leverage their AI website generator for quick design suggestions. Next, you'll secure your unique online address. You can easily register a new domain name directly through Ionos or connect one you already own. Remember, many plans come with a free domain for your initial 12 months, making it even more accessible. Now for the creative part, designing your website. The Ionos editor is incredibly easy to use, featuring a point-and-click interface for effortless customization. You can personalize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Take advantage of the integrated AI tools to generate compelling text and relevant images in moments. Easily add new sections and pages, whether it's a gallery, a contact form, or even a fully functional online store to sell your products. With your design complete, it's time to launch your website to the world. Publishing is as simple as a single click, making your site live and accessible. To help people find you, Ionos includes built-in search engine optimization tools, allowing you to optimize your content for better visibility. Should you ever need assistance, their dedicated customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, via phone or live chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.